So this charger burnt the floor, but it was plugged into this light switch. And I woke up to this. Literally burnt the floor. Look at this. It burnt off, fell on the floor, and burned the carpet. This is scary. It's plugged into a lamp. I don't know. This is really scary. Look at this. Like, seriously? And this is one of those reusable charger light. I don't even know what it's called. But you charge it and you leave it on. And it stays on for a couple of days until a couple hours. But look at this. Is this that powerful? I have this charger about maybe a month. It's plugged into a lamp. So I don't know if it's the power current is that strong. But it's not my first time using the lamp. But look at this. Scary.